there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to a vlog update, a little bit of a news of what's sort of going on. Sadly, hopefully you probably sort of noticed that there wasn't any videos last week, and we're coming up a little bit short this week. Little freak accident on my hand, doing some fence work and stuff, basically hitting a hammer. A little shard of metal shot into my hand, and which seemed like a little tiny thing, and I just thought, oh, I'd go to A&E and they'd cut it out. Ended up being a sort of a full-blown operation. Basically they did some x-rays and this little metal shard actually went quite deep, so yeah, they had to do a proper operation on that, sadly. And after the operation my hand was kind of feeling quite numb and sort of like swollen nerves and all this kind of stuff, which has set me back, sadly. So sorry there hasn't been any videos last week, but I am back in business. My hands, you know, it's all right. I can still sort of work now, so I will be back into the video. So I do apologize for the lack of videos over this past week or two, but we are going to be getting back to normal because we did have the lockdown GB. I was supposed to do a nice little montage of that and announce that last week, so I'm hoping to get that up by Friday, as well as the Q&A as well. I do believe HMS Victory needs to go up as well, so I'm just trying to work really hard to try and get these things up by Friday, fingers crossed. So but the lockdown GB is the one I sort of want to make sure I get out, because that is sort of should have been announced last Friday, but that's coming along. Other bits of news as well with regards to you know, website and store and everything. The store's still coming along. I do believe Steve has sort of backed out of being the store manager, which is no big deal. You know, we're still moving along with that, because let's face it, you guys have been really supportive in this whole kind of reboot of Genessis Models and setting up all these things. I've had so many emails, people, you know, saying they'd like to be the store manager and help out and everything, so it'd be no problem replacing Steve there and moving along with that. So the store is coming. Probably it's going to take a little bit longer than anticipated, but you know, it is still all coming along, and it should be really cool to have all these things under one roof, all under one website, sort of like a one-stop for all your scale modeling needs online. Which then does bring us to the website. The website is we are looking at actually somebody starting to build it. Looks like maybe about next week or something. They're going to start building it, and we're going to take a look at it, see what kind of work's been done, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll have some more updates on the store as well, and the store and the website, and sort of let you know how things are going as and when they happen. But please keep in mind that we want to do this right. We do want to make sure that we do create a really good website, a really good store, and bring you really good service for all these new features and everything, and get it all done right. So you know, please bear with us. You know, we are going to get it done. It's just a matter of times. Hopefully you're all excited about it as we are here. Loads and loads of work that's going on behind the scenes, but yeah, until next time, until our next update, you know, as usual, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I'll catch you later.